जय श्री माता जी।
In the darkness of Kansa's prison, the divine took birth, Sri Krishna, the eighth incarnation of Sri Vishnu, to restore dharma and awaken the sleeping spirit within mankind. As an infant, he was carried across the flooded Yamuna to Gokul, where Mahasaraswati incarnated as Yashoda to nurture him, and Mahalakshmi as Radha to complete his divine play. The Creator herself gave short appearance as Vishnu Maya, sacrificing sister of Sri Krishna to ensure his existence for the divine accomplishment.
Even as a child, Krishna showed his mastery over the negative forces within and without. Shri Mataji once said that Krishna is to be born within you. He sat on Kaliya's Sahasrar, pressing it down, symbolizing the awakening of the Kundalini and the subjugation of ego and negativity. Through every Leela, from lifting Govardhan to calming storms, Krishna taught that life, when connected to the divine, becomes a play of joy, not a struggle of fear. During his adolescence, Toli of Krishna stealing Makhan from gopis' houses and enjoying a collective treat with his vibrated Makhan was nothing but collective awakening of Kundalini, of his followers on one hand, and on the other it was to stopping the delivery of butter to Kansa's kingdom.
Krishna's Ras Leela was not mere dance, it was the earliest mass realization. When he played his flute, Radha vibrated the waters with divine energy, and while in way back to home, Sri Krishna's hitting their gagris, pitchers filled with water, the vibrated water going down their heads stirred Kundalini in spontaneous union. In those moments of collective joy, Sahaj Yoga was being born, the Leela Yoga. When Sri Krishna broke the pitchers, the vibrated water was meant to fall on the soil of Vrindavan, where Krishna and Radha lived, vibrating it. But the Leela was balanced by duty. Sri Mataji reminds us, before you can say life is a play, you must first kill the Kamsa within, the ego, the lust, the anger, the pride that stand against your ascent. So Krishna destroyed the Rakshasas outside and the weaknesses within, showing that the true battle is internal.
In his final revelation, the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna gave the message of Sahaj Yoga in its purest form. He said, Karmanya vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Perform your duties without attachment to results. First connect with the divine, Sankhya Yoga, the knowledge of the self. Then act through that connection, Karma Yoga, the action guided by the spirit. And finally, rejoice in that union, Bhakti Yoga, the music of realized joy. Shri Mataji explained, you are to be perfect instruments, hollow flutes for the Lord to play His melody of love. Clear your 7 holes, purify your chakras, and let the divine play through you. Krishna's message was simple yet eternal. Fight the enemies within: lust, anger, greed, attachment, pride, and jealousy. When these dissolve, the spirit shines and collectivity blossoms.
Sri Mataji explained that Sri Krishna advised Karma Yoga, and before that, Sankhya Yoga means self-realization, that is, Sahaja Yoga, although Sahaja Yoga incorporates both. The awakening of awareness through meditation, it must come first, before Karma Yoga, which is action guided by the awakened spirit. Without connection, actions are like telephoning without a line. After realization, Karma Yoga becomes meaningful. And finally comes Bhakti Yoga, the joy and devotion that naturally flow from inner connection. A true yogi, she said, is one who is realized, a Sahaj yogi, living in the light of the spirit. The same power that awakened the gopis now awakens within each Sahaj yogi. The flute of Sri Krishna still plays, not in the fields of Vrindavan, but in the hearts of those who have found silence within. In that silence, the Leela continues, eternally joyful, eternally alive. Thanks for your joyous day with us. In the next episode, we shall open our third eye, the Agnya Chakra.